Good afternoon. Today is Monday, April 29th, 2024. I'm here at Arlington Marina, and this is going to be an after video for the water line here on Hatterdaze. There's something I did want to note is the spots where we saw most of the growth, like the heavy growth, you're going to see in this video that the color of their paint is different, which means that the paint has been either rubbed down a bit to where it's showing it doesn't have enough ablative paint on it, and that ablative paint is what's keeping some of the heavier growth off the boat. So I'm going to go ahead and do the video and show you guys exactly where it's at. Now in about 2 weeks, the growth should be back to where it was initially before I cleaned it, and that's when our next hull cleaning will be. And then after that, it's going to be a full 4 weeks, 1 month. So it will definitely get a lot dirtier. But we're out here making sure that your concerns are met. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.